Hi, everyone. Well, looks like Josh is late again. So I guess it's just me. Whoa!
Whoa,
Okay.
easy there, Joe. Coming in hot.
All right. Well, nice ride.
Thank you. It's the knee trucker.
Yeah, the knee trucker. Okay. I know you're a little upset about the Bank of Canada, maybe, but I don't know if you had to break your leg over it. But let me pass it off to you, Josh.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The intro?
Sure, the intro.
All right, everyone. Today is Wednesday, January the 24th, and really not much of a surprise. The Bank of Canada decided to hold the overnight rate today, which means that our prime lending rate will remain unaffected. Joe, what happened?
Yeah, it's kind of the same story that we've been talking about the last couple of announcements. The Bank of Canada is still hyper concerned on inflation. There was some concern because inflation numbers actually started to creep up a little bit, but there's still an understanding that growth is not expected to be significant at all this year. But wages are up, spending is still up, so they're not seeing inflation come down the level they want. What else can we talk about?
Well, yeah, it's interesting. You touched on unemployment. Right? So there was a positive outlook for inflation where employment numbers were down. So unemployment seemed to be on the rise a little bit, which would then help spending. But unfortunately, then the data came out and wages are up. So if everyone has more money to spend, those who are employed, that's not going to help the fight against inflation. So in what I was reading, that was kind of the biggest twist that hit us here in the beginning of this year.
Yeah.
Did you? Yeah,
no, I think that's something really important for everyone to pay attention to. Also is just understanding how connected everything is. So we have a global world, what's happening in Europe, what happens in the States, what happens in China, what happens everywhere is going to impact rates here too. So there's a lot of moving parts. The Bank of Canada is taking in lots of information, a lot of data. They don't want to mess this up. They already have a bit of egg on their face from saying rates aren't going to go up. They obviously went up really aggressively. They need to get this right. So it's patience. The good news is you're not seeing any rate increases right now, and hopefully we see them hold back again, and we start to see rates come down later this year.
Yeah, absolutely. It'll be interesting in what unfolds here in the next short while of 2024. I think everybody's hopeful that rates will come down, but it's all going to come down to the data. So everyone's going to be watching very closely, including the bank. They know that we've got an incredible amount of mortgage renewals coming due in Canada. Although they'd like to see spending come down, it's certainly on the back of their minds that they don't want to jeopardize people's housing situation. So there's just, as you said, so many factors. So we'll continue to monitor this. If you have any questions, please reach out to a broker or a mortgage professional. And yeah, we're always happy to help out. Anything to add?
No, just take care out there, okay, buddy?
Yeah, I'll give her a little exit.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Have a good day.